Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is November 23rd, 2024, and we're diving into the latest stories surrounding Apple technology, software, and devices. As always, you can find links to all the stories we discuss in the episode notes. Let's kick off today's episode with a cautionary tale about deceptive authenticator apps lurking in Apple and Google app stores. A recent article highlights the dangers these fraudulent apps pose, especially as they mimic legitimate ones like Microsoft Authenticator. Users are often tricked into downloading these apps, which can contain ads and charge subscription fees, a red flag since authenticators should be free. The risk is not just financial. These apps could compromise sensitive two-factor authentication codes. The piece calls for more stringent App Store reviews to protect users from potential identity theft. Shifting gears to privacy laws, we delve into the evolution of European regulations and the challenges of online tracking. The e-Privacy Directive, established in 2002 and revised in 2009, requires explicit user consent for data storage. Despite industry pushback, evidence suggests fingerprinting isn't effective for tracking. The Do Not Track signal, intended as a universal opt-out, faced setbacks due to industry lobbying. Apple's disabling of DNT in Safari raises questions about its stance, especially with California's proposed privacy amendments. The article suggests BayCloud's solution for compliance, highlighting the ongoing debate over privacy standards. In the realm of AI and language models, a GitHub project introduces Cross-Entropy, a method to reduce memory use during large language model training. As models grow, memory demands for cross-entropy loss computation skyrocket. CCE tackles this by computing only necessary logits, slashing memory needs dramatically. This innovation not only cuts memory usage but also boosts throughput by leveraging softmax function sparsity. The project offers integration with popular frameworks like PyTorch, promising efficiency gains for developers. Next, we explore QReator, a versatile app for generating and scanning QR codes. Known for its speed and user-friendly interface, QReator allows users to create customized QR codes for various purposes, from connecting to Wi-Fi to sharing contact info. It supports multiple barcode formats and offers advanced scanning capabilities. However, some features are limited to newer iPhone models. The app is free, with options for digital business card creation, making it a handy tool for personal and professional use. Introducing Assindo, an AI-powered personal assistant app designed to streamline call management and task organization. With features like an AI receptionist for missed calls and transcription services, Assindo helps users focus on important tasks. It offers various subscription plans, each with a free trial, providing flexibility for different needs. The app integrates real-time communication and detailed task reporting, making it a valuable tool for busy individuals. For the tech-savvy, David Alger's article on installing Fedora Asahi Remix on Apple Silicon systems offers a detailed guide. The process involves creating a bootable USB recovery drive and encrypting the root file system with LUKS. While the installation is straightforward, users are cautioned about potential data loss if not done correctly. The article provides step-by-step instructions, ensuring a smooth setup for those venturing into Linux on Apple hardware. Finally, we examine the evolution of personal computers and Apple's software distribution approach. The iPhone's closed ecosystem contrasts with the Mac's more open model, allowing software distribution outside the App Store. While the App Store has fueled a robust app economy, it also imposes high fees and restrictions. The Mac's notarization process offers a balance of security and flexibility, a model the article argues should guide future computing devices. The piece advocates for user freedom over top-down control, suggesting the Mac's approach as a blueprint for the future. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and informative. Remember, you can find links to all the articles we discussed in the episode notes. Join us tomorrow for more updates on the world of Apple technology. Until then, stay informed and stay curious.